Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix delayed notifications on your Android or iOS device. Well, first you have to go to the settings over here, wait a moment, right here, and on your iPhone. You need to scroll all the way down to the apps and find Xiaomi Home straight in your applications list. Here, Xiaomi Home. Make sure that background app refresh is enabled over here. Mobile data is enabled. Home, this one. Here, not currently is enabled. Bluetooth is enabled. When it's down, you shouldn't now receive the delay notifications. On your Android device, you need to open the same application like in the apps application, but you need to go to the battery section over here, tap battery, and set to unrestricted. Now we can go back to the Mi Home application, and now straight from here we need to open our camera. Here tap this three dots button, and now you should find here in the application itself the here closure for example notifications. Enable this thing over here. Here, apart from that, you need to search for the where should it be? You need to find just a setting that will allow notifications. Profile, additional settings, notification settings, device notifications. So make sure that this is enabled, and this should be all. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.